This is Sarau here. Today I'm going to just walk through how do you install VirtIO. Like VirtIO is like a virtual Windows machine. You can install any hardware. So how do you do that? So I'm going to step through the steps, each steps. Okay. So assume that you have some virtual machines you hosted anywhere in DigitalOcean or AWS and Azure, anywhere you can get the machine. Then you can use the VNC to install your software. Okay, I'm using some VNC software which is called VNC V2. So there are many options in VNC software. Using that, I logged in. Then I booted through my VirtIO virtual machine. Now it's Windows is loading up here. So I'm trying to set up a few things. Okay, so let me cancel this one. You can see from the screen here. So let's click. So VNC little tricky. So you have to working in the mouse movement. So it will take some time to practice. You can do it, but little trickier here. It's a little slow, so it will come here. So I cancel it now, so you can just click install. So it gets load. There are two options. One is upgrade, other one is a custom install. So I have to click the terms and conditions. So now, so I said there are two options. One is a custom, other one's upgrade. So let's click upgrade. So you may not see anything like the driving details. Okay, so you have to load the virtual informations from here. So okay, click browse. In your ISO image, it's already embedded into VirtIO content here. So it will already mounted like a D drive here. So scroll down. You see a VirtIO as a folder here. So now underneath you look for something AMD 680. Then you will click Windows 810. That's what I'm trying to install here. So click Windows 10. Then click OK. So a little trickier when you're working with a VNC software. So, but you can done the job doing the VNC. So it's a beautiful. So now it's trying to load all the required hardware softwares to in your the machine. So now you see that I have a 600 GB I have right now. So this is it's not formatted. You have to create a format. So here this options Windows comes with that. So I'm going to create there are two partitions. So I'm going to C and D. So for a C, I'm going to put it like around 150. It's enough because I'm going to run only operating system. So 150 GB is more than enough. So let me put a number here. So 1 second. So this should be a MB, right? So then it means like a 150 GB. It will be like yeah, I told you the mouse momentum is a little trickier. So it will be a 150 40, I guess, right? So that's apply. So it will this will be a my C drive. So now you have another unallocated 456. Create a new. So just remaining whatever remaining left over. So that's it. So make sure you selected. So that's where the Windows is going to install. You selected by default in the latest one partition 3. That's going to be your D drive. So you don't want to install the operating system, the D drive. You want it to install the C drive. So make sure you selected that. Then you click continue. So click next. Now in the Windows install status, you can see it is what are the stages you are installing right now. So there it may take a few minutes. I actually let me stop the video, then I'll cut it back you guys. Yeah, okay.